Hello, today I am going to show you how to make a to-do list app using ChatGPT in maximum 1 minute. So let's go to the ChatGPT and write a code for to-do list using our HTML, CSS and JavaScript and then see the magic what's going to happen. And after typing the question, just see all the codes are automatically going. ChatGPT write all your codes in a separate way using separately. You can see the HTML code is written, then it will write the CSS code, and then automatically it will write the JavaScript code as well, and then it will gives us a whole logic. Only what we have to do is just to put those code and use those code in our code editor. So for that, just wait and watch. Yeah, as you see, ChatGPT is also suggesting like this code is a simple to-do list website, but if we want to upgrade it in a more advanced way, then we are free to do as well. So you can see HTML code. Just copy the code from here and copy it and go to VSS code editor, and in index.html file just paste it, and after pasting save the code and open the default browser. And as you see here, we get a to-do list basic HTML layout here. Right now it is not functionally working because other codes are missing. Now go to CSS code, copy the CSS code and go to VSS styles.css page, and then paste the code and save it. And after saving the code, just again go to the browser and then refresh the browser and just see the magic. All CSS are implemented, and just as we see, after refreshing the code we get a layout. Right now this is a basic website, so still it's look better. So yeah, and now just similarly go to the JavaScript code, copy the code from there and paste it in a script.js. Maybe always keep remind that the file name should be same, otherwise you will not your code will not work. And then similarly, after pasting, saving, refresh, and here you can see, just enter your to-do list task like wake up, go to add button, add it. Yeah, you can see wake up is visible. Similarly, all the to-do list we are easily able to make. Yeah, so this way we can easily make a to-do list app within 1 minute. You believe it? If we are going to do it manually by our own in efficient manner, then it's at least it takes us half an hour at least. But you see, so for these kind of tutorials and to learn how to become a proper prompt engineer, just make sure to subscribe the channel so you will get some more advanced tutorials and things which will make you smart as compared to other. And this era is a AI era, so it will definitely going to keep you on a pedestal in any kind of jobs. So just do the subscribe and channel and wait for some more fascinating tutorials. Thank you. And also, we can remove this whatever task we done, just remove, click on remove button and it is removed.